Imagine your favorite sketching artists, architects, illustrators, designers, and content creators teaching you their secrets, drawing and painting techniques, and tips and tricks through short, actionable video workshops, which are all accessible online so you don't have to leave home, and they are available to you all in one place and one time. That's exactly what Sketching Retreat is all about, and I invite you to join us for the free virtual event this year from October 24th till 29th. Sketching Retreat is all about architectural sketching and drawing, and no matter if you prefer traditional or digital mediums, or anything in between really, we've got you covered. More than 30 free, pre-recorded video workshops are here to help you level up your drawing skills and discover new techniques from areas including pen and pencil drawing, watercolor painting, using color markers for urban sketching, interior design, and landscape design, sketching from imagination, mastering popular digital apps for tablets like Procreate, Morpholio Trace, and concepts. Everything from quick and rough sketching to precise and realistic perspective drawing, and so much more. On top of the videos, you'll get access to downloadable resources so you can easily follow along with all the workshops, as well as some extra gifts and freebies from our instructors. Hi, my name is David Drezel and I'm the founder of sketchlikeanarchitect.com, and I'll be your host for this event. The event will officially kick off on October 24th, 2023, and it's free to register and to attend for the whole 6 days until October 29th. Click the link around this video to save your free spot, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the workshops. Cheers!